Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to do or how to find your I-797 on your Farm for USA profile. Let's get started. Okay, so first things first, go to Google and type in usafarmlabor.com. Then you will go to this page. Now, quick information. We are Farm for USA. We are located in South Africa, Pretoria. USA Farm Labor, which is HQ, is located in America. We will be doing your profile from this website. Your profile will always be on this website. And you go up here to logging. And what I wanted to say was the day that you have created your profile, you need to go ahead and check your emails for the username and password. It would be on there. The specific username and the specific password should be there. If that's incorrect or you can't find it, you can go and email it to registrations and they'll help you out. Otherwise, if the email takes too long and you're in a hurry, you could just always go ahead and call the office. You're going to have to call this number right down here. It's 082-735-2433 and someone will help you out with that. Okay, so I'm going to log into my profile and I'm going to show you exactly where to go. Perfect. Now that we're in here, I'm going to show you right at the left, we're going to have to go to placements and then consulate documents. So you have two sections here. On the left, you will see this is where your I-797 will appear. If it appears here and you click on it, you should be able to view it on your right hand side. If it doesn't show, it means that your I-797 is not in. USA Farm Labor, which is in America, their head office has not sent the I-797 through to us. So we can't send you the documents you need for the consulate or when you have a consulate appointment. So just be patient, wait for this I-797 to come in. As soon as we have that, we'll send you an email or just let us know, because you can see before we do that you have your I-797. So if you see that, just send us an email, say, hey, listen, my I-797 is in, I can view it. And then we'll just continue on with your profile and send you all the documents you need to print out and take to the consulate or email, to the DHL. Just remember, when you do this, you need all the documents printed in color and your passport. Your passport must not expire the year afterwards. You need 6 months on the time of your work period. You need 6 months more. So if your passport expires in that 6 months, you have to get a new passport. As well as the USA, the visa photos. You have to take new photos and send that with your documents, with your passport, to the DHL. And then when you receive it and you have your visa in your hand, you can just go to the following and contact our flight department saying, listen, I have my visa, I need a plane ticket. Then you can get started. And that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.